All right, got a Super 73 R, not an RX, but an R, with no lights. Today I figured out the wiring for getting lights to work on this bad boy using the stock wiring harness, stock controller. It's hard to see there, but there it is. Figured out the wiring, but anyway, we're all there too. Woo! Right here is, yep, from the controller, Super 73 R. There's a female green connector at the back, which is actually round, which is this one right here. It's green. Got all those wires coming out of it. It shows that, looking at the connector, battery negative, battery positive, 2.3 volts on the blue, 2.4 on the green. Those are CAN network wiring, the 2.4 and the 2.3. On the battery side, I had to figure those out. I had to get in there, but that's what it is. Looking at the connector, going to the controller, we got 2.4, 2.3, battery positive, battery negative. Once I deciphered all that, I did this hodgepodge wiring again just to check things out. And my original S2 DC to DC light module to a RX headlight that I purchased. Turn this bad boy on. Hit the display, it's on. Hold the button, and boom. This sumbitch is working. All I gotta do is get me a tail light now. Any questions? Hit me up.